Hey, guess what? The most beautiful girl in the world, but who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Oh, awesome. Big shout out to Man in the Pan. Man, one of the most creative person here at Suisun, a marketing person. But hey, who's the fastest chef?
A man in the pan.
Oh yeah, big shout out to Man in the Pan. Awesome. And I'm here with the most beautiful lady. And she, I don't wear makeup, but she's still beautiful. But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Oh yeah, let's get Man in the Pan. Ah, oh, the most beautiful girl in the world. Who's the fastest chef?
The man in the pan.
Oh yeah, big shout out to Man in the Pan. Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Today I'm gonna do something really super exciting for all of you guys. You know, it's right about summertime and the fish might be biting, and I'm gonna make one ahi poke lumpia. Okay, just check it out. Okay, the first thing you gotta do now, in a bowl, and you see this whipped cream, the whipped cream, put it down, and I put in about 4 ounces right in here. I'll grab the juice from the one bottle. Just about maybe a 1/4 cup of juice. Mix it up with the whipped cream. You add in some Hawaiian salt, one half teaspoon. And in there you add about another half teaspoon of garlic powder. You mix it all up, just like this. Look exactly like this. See? I got this small piece of ahi over here. It's just about a half pound. Okay? I'll make a poke with this. Cut it really thin. Dump in the ahi, and grab some kimchee, 5 ounces. Grab this and slam them right inside here. Okay? Mix it all up. Then in here you put in some shredded cabbage. Yeah, it's about a 1/3 cup. You mix it all up. Just like this. Okay? And on the stove, just like that. Put in a little oil. Okay, then I'll wrap the lumpia. Wrap the lumpia wrapper. Put it down like this. This right in the middle. Wrap it down. Wrap it like this. Okay, the fire is hot. Ready to fry. The good thing about this is it's easy to fry. Okay, when it's done. Okay, what I'm doing now is I'm just cutting it in smaller pieces, just like this. Lay it nicely on the plate, just like that. Okay, the burger look good. Let's see how it tastes. Oh man, it's so it's unbelievable. I got the poke, the crispiness of the cabbage, a little hit from the kimchi. Oh, everybody's going crazy for this. So unreal. Until next week, we see you on the Man and the Pan. Aloha.